Good day, everyone. Jamralia here. Now we will explore Sulu, Philippines. So here we go.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
Sulu is a part of the Sulu archipelago which stretches from the tip of the Zamboanga Peninsula on the north to the island of Borneo in the south. The main island and its islets are situated between the island provinces of Basilan to the northeast and Tawi-Tawi to the southwest. Sulu is bordered by Sulu Sea to the north and the Salibu Sea to its south.
You want to go there?
This is Ana Boulevard in Tandubatu, Luok, Sulu. It is ideal for family destination. Kunin mo to cellphone mo, hawakan mo.
Pangit kasi yung cellphone.
Asa na si... Yeah. Ah.
Another. It's not nice park.
It's so refreshing, and the good thing is it has a kids playground which your children can enjoy.
Pero doon si... Ano siya? Ang tawag doon? Kasi doon, malalaking ba?
If you wanna visit Sulu, Philippines, you have to contact their tourism office. You have to tell them what you plan to do in Sulu, and they will help you arrange your itinerary. May it be just a tour around the municipality of Hulu or island hopping around the nearby islands. Also, you have to abide by their rules. If your tour guide tells you that you aren't allowed to go to a certain place or do something you aren't supposed to, then don't. So I hope that you will have the best experience in Sulu, Philippines.